Hey guys, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe leave a comment that simply says thanks. All those really do help out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon, and I've included a link in the description that will take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is a nice little compact security camera by a company called blurams. This is the box that it comes in, and the model here is the FoldVue. Now, once you open up the box, you're naturally going to get an instruction manual. You're also going to get this nice little sticky card here, which makes it super easy to drill the holes if you're wanting to mount this camera up high on a wall or something like that. Now you are going to get a little plug with a USB side to put this in a wall socket, and then you are going to get a USB to USB Type-C cable here to power up the camera itself. It does not have a battery or anything like that. It needs to be plugged in all the time. Now I have it just sitting on a kind of shelf, so I don't have it mounted, but in this little white bag is going to be the anchors and the screws if you choose to mount it. So right on the back here, you do have the little holes that makes it super easy to mount. It tells you which side is up. However, if you don't, it has the little rubber feet that keeps it from sliding around. Now, another thing I love about this camera, as you can see, it is a super compact little design here. So on one side, you have the USB Type-C port where you're going to plug it on in. On the other side, turn it around, you're going to notice it has the micro SD card slot, so you can put a SD card on here if you want. If you do, I do recommend doing a high class, like a class 10, because it does record in that 2K footage, so you want to make sure that it records that fast and can keep up with it. If you ever need to reset it, there is a little reset button right there. But to give you an idea how big this camera is, it is approximately 2 inches by 2 inches by 2 inches square when it is in the folded position. So you can just simply set this on a shelf if you want. However, it does fold out and become a nice stand here. And then that gives you about 3.5 inches in height. And because of the stand, it is kind of fully rotatable. So you can kind of angle the camera however you want, which is nice. It has these different kind of setups, which just makes it fully flexible. Also, the stand itself will rotate 360 degrees. So once again, this thing will get set up however you need it to be in the position that you are wanting to utilize it. So great little feature there. Now, as far as all the features of the camera itself. So first off, like I mentioned, it does do 2K resolution. It also has that infrared footage. As you can see, the day footage is nice and crisp and clear, and it also has that great infrared, which is basically the black and white footage. This camera does connect to your home Wi-Fi via the 2.4 or the 5 gigahertz signal. So if you don't have to worry about splitting anything on your router, it will connect to whatever it needs to get it up and running. And you can utilize the BlueCam app, or the blurams Cam app, which is very user-friendly and easy to use. As far as accessing your footage, like I mentioned, it has that SD card slot, so you can always save your footage straight to the SD card. You can also use their cloud service, which will give you 12 seconds, and it will remain on the servers for 24 hours. Obviously, you can upgrade to that to whatever you feel comfortable with, but it is included with that 12 seconds or 24 hours. So if you don't want to utilize the SD card slot, you got that as a nice option. It does support the motion detection, so if somebody walks in the camera range, it's obviously going to trigger and notify you on your phone or tablet, wherever you have the app installed. It also has two-way audio, so if you wish to talk through it, you can. There is a speaker on the back of the camera that allows you to talk on it. But overall, it's a nice little compact camera. It doesn't take up a lot of room. Easy to tuck away in a quarter. It comes with a nice long cable. So overall, if you're looking to keep an eye on your pets, your loved ones, maybe a kid in a nursery room or something like that, or just looking to keep your property nice and secure, I think this is totally worth checking out. If there's something that I didn't quite cover that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.